Welcome to 212 Burnside Avenue in Woonsocket, Rhode Island. This is a third floor, 1-bed, 1-bath unit with an additional multi-purpose room. Once you walk into the front side of the unit, you are welcomed into the living room area that features a set of bay windows that has lots of natural light coming in. You have gray laminate flooring and fresh new paint all throughout the whole unit. You have a double parlor that can be used as a multi-purpose room, and it has its own individual closet and a window as well. Straight ahead, you have your spacious kitchen. It features 2 large windows, fresh new paint. It also has built-in china cabinets and has its own separate pantry. The pantry includes a stainless steel sink, and it also has cabinets in good condition. The kitchen features a 4-burner stovetop. It has a medium-sized fridge, and it also has a utility closet. This unit also includes 1 off-street parking. Door to your left would be your exit door to the back of the property. Straight ahead, you have your bathroom. The bathroom features a full-size tub. It also has a medicine cabinet and has a vanity with additional storage underneath. Lastly, you have your bedroom. This room can fit a queen-size bed comfortably. It also has its own individual closet. This unit is pet-friendly, and it also has laundry and storage in the basement. Renting with Nexus Property Management, you can chat with staff live 24/7. You can also pay your rent online and also request maintenance. Go to nexuspropertymanagement.com for more rentals.